welcome to our group presentation on how to save planet Earth. Easy instructions on how to save the world, one footprint at a time. We split the work up by the following. Tim Brewer was responsible for the language arts portion and individual summaries. Gabriel Avello was responsible for the math portion and helping the students calculate their own carbon footprint. Nicole Cleany was responsible for the science portion and was our group communicator. And lastly but not least, Shannon Wheeler was responsible for creating the recyclable projects idea, as well as the presentation rubric and conclusion page in our WebQuest. Here's just a brief overview of our WebQuest page. The main idea behind this lesson was to educate students about their effect on our environment and how to more effectively reduce their CO2 emissions. The language arts section requires the student to research first what a carbon footprint is, and then certain activities and objects that contribute to CO2 emissions. They are then to write a summary on what they learned. The math section, as you can see here, includes a website on how to calculate your own carbon footprint, which will load up for you in just a minute. You just press the Get Started button, fill out the required information, and then you are asked some questions about your daily life, activities that contribute to CO2 emissions. And when you're finished, the result is the approximate carbon footprint. The result is your approximate carbon footprint. The science portion is twofold and includes the recyclable project, which has students make a reusable object out of recyclable materials, and the presentation, which is a combination of everything they learned throughout the unit. The presentation includes their findings on what a carbon footprint was, effective measures on how to reduce their carbon footprint, and including the recyclable project somewhere in the presentation. We hope this lesson is not only educational to our students, but enjoyable as well.